Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super handy trick, how to seamlessly upload your YouTube videos straight onto TikTok. Yep, you heard it right. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to get your hands on the YouTube video you want to share. If you're wondering how to download a YouTube video straight to your phone, don't worry, I've got you covered. Go ahead and download an app called Black Hole from your App Store. Once that's done, head over to YouTube and find the video you want. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to pick this one. Hit the share button, copy the link, and head over to the Black Hole app. There you go. Your YouTube video is now safely stored on your phone. But wait, TikTok prefers a vertical format, right? No problem. We're going to use a free editing app to make the magic happen. You can choose either CapCut or VN Editor, both are free and easy to use. I'll be using VN Editor for this tutorial. Simply import your downloaded YouTube video into a new project. Perfect. Now your video fits TikTok's vertical format like a glove. You can trim it down to the desired length. Add text. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to upload it to TikTok. Open the app. Hit the upload button, select your edited video, and voila! You're all set to share your YouTube content with the TikTok world. And there you have it, easy peasy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. See you in the next one.